Brr! It's so cold. Why am I shaking like this?
Have you ever felt cold and started to shiver? Let's find out why with Dr. Meow MIU.
The brain detects the cold. When your skin feels the cold air, it sends a message to your brain.
And your brain says, uh-oh, it's cold. Time to warm up.
Muscles start shaking. Then your brain tells your muscles to start shaking just a little bit.
That shaking is called shivering.
Heat is made. When your muscles shake, they make heat.
Just like when you exercise and get warm, your muscles make your body warmer.
I feel better already. Simple explanation summary. So let's remember. You feel cold? Your brain gets the message. Your muscles shake. You warm up. Answer the question? So, why do we shiver? To stay warm? Please leave your answer in the comments section below. Thanks for learning with me today. Stay warm, little scientists. Bye-bye.
See you next time with Dr. Meow MIU.